Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
In 1997, ABC canceled Step by Step after 6 seasons due to declining ratings. The network had delayed the show's 5th season to mid-season, premiering in March 1997. The show's ratings, which had been declining for several seasons, continued to fall and it ended its run in June 1998.
Take our lead.
In 2011, Step by Step was acquired by 7TWO. In 2015, 111 Greats started airing the whole series. On September 29, 2017, Hulu acquired the streaming rights to Step by Step along with fellow Warner Brothers.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Cody was written out of the series after the show's 5th season after legal problems that began with Mitchell's 1995 arrest on accusations of domestic violence by his first wife Jeanette Robbins, charges which were later dropped and he was cleared of wrongdoing.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
The youngest of Frank Lambert's children, Brendan, disappeared from Step by Step, with no explanation. It may be because of the newest Lambert foster, baby Lily. Josh Byrne had appeared in Who's the Boss, and in the film, Mr. Byrne stopped acting when he left Step by Step.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.